Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 1.6 of first chapter rational numbers. Today's first question is represent the following rational numbers on the number line. This is the most important question in this chapter. Our first part is minus 2 upon 3. Students, minus 2 upon 3 is a negative rational number and this is also a proper fraction. So proper fraction always comes between 0 and 1, and because this is a negative rational number, so minus 2 upon 3 will be represented between 0 and minus 1. So let us draw a number line first. In between we have 0. On the right side we have positive 1. On the left side we have minus 1 on equal distance. So because minus 2 upon 3 is a proper rational number and it is a negative rational number, so minus 2 upon 3 will be represented between 0 and minus 1. Denominator has 3, so we have to mark here 2 cuts in equal distances. 1, 2. Now in this way, this section is now in 3 small blocks. 1, 2, 3. So this first block is minus 1 upon 3. And this second number is minus 2 upon 3. So this is the correct representation of this negative rational number. Okay. Students, next part is 11 upon 4. 11 upon 4 is an improper fraction. So first we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 11 upon 4 can be written as this: 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is 11. So this is 2 whole 3 upon 4. So this is a positive rational number. So let us make first a number line. So we need not to represent here the negative sides. So we'll start with 0. 0. On the right side we have plus 1, then plus 2, and on equal distance we have plus 3. So this is 2 and 3 upon 4. So after 2, this number will be represented between these two. This 2 is this one, and 3 upon 4 will be in between them. Because denominator has 4, so we will mark here 3 equal cuts so that we have 4 equal sections between them. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we have 4 equal sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sections we have. First one is 1 upon 4. Second is 2 upon 4. And third is 3 upon 4. So students, this is 2 and 3 upon 4 or 11 upon 4. Okay. Next is negative rational number minus 13 upon 5. This is also an improper fraction, so we will convert it into mixed fraction. 5 2s are 10 plus 3. So this is now minus 2 and 3 upon 5. So this time we need not to represent the positive rational number. Now this time 0 is here. First we have minus 1. On equal distance we have minus 2. And on equal distance we have minus 3. So this is minus 2 and 3 upon 5. This minus 2 is this. Minus 2 is whole, so this is minus 2 whole, and after that we have to represent 3 upon 5. Now denominator has 5, so we will mark here 4 equal ticks between minus 2 and minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. On marking 4 ticks here, now we have 5 equal sections. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 blocks we have. Now this is 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So this is the required point on this number line. Minus 2 and 3 upon 5 or minus 13 upon 5. Okay. Last one is minus 19 upon 6. This is also a negative rational number. So 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. This is minus 3 and 1 upon 6. So let us construct a number line first. So this is a negative rational number, so we need not showing the positive side. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. It is minus 3 and 1 upon 6. So after minus 3 we have to construct this 1 upon 6 between after 3. So this is represented between minus 3 and minus 4. Now denominator has 6, so we have to mark here 1 less times tick. Okay, so we will mark here 5 equal ticks between minus 3 and minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5 ticks. So let us count the sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sections we have. And this is 1 upon 6. This is 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6. Okay. This is now 1 upon 6. So after minus 3, 1 upon 6. So minus 3, 1 upon 6 or minus 19 upon 6. This is the required point. Students, you have to practice number line again and again. So I have told you all the number lines so that you do not get it wrong in your fair copies. Okay. Now next question is, write 3 rational numbers between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4. Let us first equate the denominator. For equating the denominator, we have to take the LCM of 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. Now 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 4 ones are 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3 and 3 ones are 3. Now there is nothing between 4 and 3. So now the denominators are now equated. So for finding 3 rational numbers, we will multiply these 2 rational numbers by 4 up and down. Multiply by 4 and here also multiply by 4. So this is 4 4s are 16 and 12 4s are 48. 3 4s are 12 and 12 4s are 48. Now between 12 and 16 we have 13, 14 and 15. So 13, 14 and 15 will be the required 3 rational numbers. So let us write the complete fraction as our answer. 13 upon 48, 14 upon 48 and 15 upon 48. Now these 3 rational numbers are, this is in this cannot be reduced into standard form, that it's itself in standard form. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 7 upon 24. Now 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are and 3 6s are. So 5 upon 16. So 13 upon 48, comma 7 upon 24, comma 5 upon 16. These can be the 3 rational numbers between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4. Okay. There are millions of numbers that you can find between any 2 given rational numbers. Okay. So this is not necessary that my answer is this and this is the complete answer. No, you can get your answers also. Okay, but they must be between these two by a method. Okay, now students, third question is fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal sign. In first part, this is minus 3 upon 5 and this is 3 upon 5. One is a negative rational number and other is a positive rational number. Always remember that negative rational number is always less than positive rational number. Okay, negative rational number is always less than. So we'll put here less than sign. Here we have minus 5 upon 7 and 10 upon minus 14. So we have to compare it between them. Now if we deduct it by 2, 2 5s are and 2 7s are. This is minus 5 upon 7 and this is also 5 upon minus 7. So they are equal. So we'll put here equal sign. Third part, minus 7 upon 9 and 0. We have to compare between them. So a negative rational number is always less than 0. These are the rules that you have to keep in mind. This is minus 3 upon 4 and this is minus 2 upon 3. Now here is a little confusion. So we will first equate the denominator. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 12 and 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3 and 3 3s is 9. And 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 4 2s are 8. Now we can easily compare between minus 9 and minus 8. Minus 9 is less than minus 8. So we'll put here less than sign. And this is also less than sign. Okay. Now students, you have to do today till this question, and we will continue from question number 4 tomorrow. Okay. And if you have any problem, you are free to ask me. Okay. Thank you.